The Paul van Ostaijen Cultural Center in Leuven occupies a site shaped by almost a century of architectural evolution. Its origins trace back to 1937, when architect Victor Bruce designed the original monastery complex. For decades, the building functioned as a school, preserving the sober spatial logic and material character typical of its period. When the city of Leuven launched a public tender in 2011 to redefine the site, the winning proposal by Lava Architecten initiated a long, meticulous transformation that united heritage conservation, sustainability, and new cultural programming. The redesign began with a detailed analysis of the landscape. Many of the mature trees, like the monastery itself, were protected. Specialists mapped root systems to determine construction limits, enabling the integration of 4 distinct park gardens, from a sculpture garden to a civic entrance zone. Biodiversity became a structural theme, expressed through expanded vegetation, nesting boxes for birds and bats, green facades, and semi-intensive roofs. Selective demolition allowed materials from the old structures to be removed, tested, and reintroduced into the regional construction cycle. This circular approach extended to energy. By connecting the complex to a geothermal field, both the new volumes and the preserved monastery reached carbon dioxide neutral operation. Strategies relying on thermal inertia and deep-set glazing eliminated the need for mobile sun shading. Architecturally, the most striking intervention is the former chapel's conversion into a theater with a sculpted wooden stand. A compact extension adds studios, sports rooms, and offices, calibrated to the scale of the historic buildings. Throughout the center, flexible layouts, shared spaces, and strong acoustic separation allow simultaneous classes, rehearsals, and performances, sometimes up to 3 at once. Today, the Paul van Ostaijen Cultural Center functions as a dense, dynamic environment for musicians, athletes, dancers, actors, and local residents. It stands as a reference project for circular construction, heritage integration, and contemporary cultural infrastructure in Leuven.